Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into some truly mind-blowing news from the cosmos. We're talking about a visitor from another star system, an interstellar comet, and it's putting on a spectacular show right in our own cosmic backyard. This isn't just any comet. This is 3I Atlas. Only the third interstellar object we've ever confirmed. And just recently, astronomers captured a stunning new image that reveals something incredible. The comet's tail has grown dramatically longer and more intricate. It's like it's waking up and getting more active as it gets closer to our sun. This breathtaking image was captured by the Virtual Telescope project. It's actually a composite, meaning they stitched together 18 separate 2-minute exposures taken by robotic telescopes in Italy. Think about the challenge here. The comet was low on the horizon, and the moon was more than half full, lighting up the sky. Yet, despite these tricky conditions, the image shows a brilliantly defined, glowing tail. So, what exactly are we seeing? A comet typically has two types of tails. The one we're excited about today is the ion tail. It forms when the sun's powerful ultraviolet radiation zaps gas molecules coming off the comet. This process strips electrons from the gas, turning them into charged particles, or ions. These ions are then caught up and blown away by the solar wind, which is a constant stream of particles flowing out from the sun. This creates a long, straight tail that often glows with a beautiful bluish light. A key thing to remember is that the ion tail always points directly away from the sun, no matter which way the comet itself is traveling. The other tail is the dust tail. This one is made of tiny solid particles, like cosmic dust, that are released from the comet's nucleus. It tends to be broader, more curved, and has a yellowish-white color. It follows along the comet's orbital path, kind of like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs in space. In the new image of 3I Atlas, you can even see a faint antitail, which is a cool optical illusion caused by our viewing angle, making it look like a little spike pointing towards the sun. Looking at this new image, it's clear that 3I Atlas is becoming much more active than it was in earlier observations. The comet's core, or nucleus, is surrounded by a bright, compact cloud of gas and dust called the coma, and stretching out from it is that magnificent ion tail, which now spans about 0.7 degrees across the sky. To give you some perspective, the full moon is about half a degree wide, so this tail is even longer than the moon's apparent diameter. This increased activity means the comet is venting gas and dust much more vigorously. It's essentially a giant, dirty snowball from another star system that's getting superheated as it swings by our sun. The discovery of 3I Atlas is a huge deal for astronomy. It's only the third interstellar visitor we know of, following the mysterious Oumuamua in 2017 and the comet to I Borisov in 2019. Oumuamua was a strange, elongated object that zoomed past us too quickly for a detailed look. Borisov was more clearly a comet, but it was relatively faint. What makes 3I Atlas so special is its brightness. bright enough for even ground-based telescopes to study in incredible detail. This gives astronomers a rare front-row seat to see how a comet from another planetary system reacts to our Sun. It's a unique chance to compare it to the comets born and raised in our own solar system. So what's causing this dramatic change? It all comes down to sublimation. As 3IATLAS gets closer to the Sun, the ice on its surface doesn't melt into liquid, it turns directly into gas. This process, called sublimation, releases volatile materials that were frozen solid for maybe billions of years. Early data suggests that this comet might have a lot of carbon dioxide ice. If that's true, it could tell us a lot about the conditions in the distant, unknown planetary system where it originally formed. Was it a colder environment? Were the building blocks of planets different there? These are the kinds of questions that studying 3IATLAS can help us answer. Think about it. We're reanalyzing a piece of another solar system without ever having to leave our own. It's like getting a sample delivered right to our doorstep. By studying the composition of the gas and dust in its tail, scientists can piece together a story about its home. Every observation gives us valuable new insights into how comets, and by extension, planetary systems, form and evolve across the galaxy. This journey is far from over. 3IATLAS will continue its voyage through our inner solar system, and you can bet that telescopes all over the world, including the Virtual Telescope Project, will be keeping a close eye on it. We can expect to see even more changes as it gets closer to the Sun. Will its tail get even longer? Will it brighten up even more? Could it have some unexpected outbursts of activity? We'll just have to wait and watch. It's an exciting time for space enthusiasts. We live in an era where we can track these cosmic wanderers in almost real time. If you want to see more images and follow the journey of 3IATLAS, you can check out the Virtual Telescope Project's website. They've been documenting it since it was first spotted back in July of this year. It's truly a privilege to witness something like this. What do you think we'll learn from this incredible interstellar visitor? Drop your thoughts and theories in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you all think. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey today. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest space news, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep looking up.